Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Opening up a couple of packages here. I got the exhaust piece for Panther's exhaust repair. Then I got a couple of those brackets for the V70 rear tail fin. I am now out at Queen Bee with this plug for the EGR tube. I got it from this place called Action Hose. They make hoses for tractor trailers and stuff like that. This is the specifics of this part number. So if you want to order one of these parts, look it up like that. So I pop open the hood. I'm looking for the end of that EGR tube. Can't really see it from this side of the engine, but on the other side, you can see that thing right there. Turbo tube looks like it's going to be in the way, but I'm trying to get the nut loose with my fingertips. I removed the OTE pipe. Now I have clear access to screw in that plug in the end of that EGR. Let me work on that. Okay, noticing that I have another boost leak. The bypass valve vacuum line's torn. But anyway, I got this tube started. Let me figure out what I got to do about this vacuum line. I'm going to take a break from that, work on cleaning up the interior. I use these acid brushes that I get from different places, clean up the crevices. Man, when you detail your car like it looks good. I also got this portable vacuum cleaner, but I'm having problems with the remote on Panther working. So I'm going to check the battery, see if this battery has anything to do with it not working. It's a 2025. When I check the volts, 3-volt battery, 2.7 volts. That should be good. As you can see, the interior cleaning is coming along very well. Brushing off the seats, vacuuming up the carpet and stuff with my portable vacuum cleaner. Everything is looking good. Queen Bee is almost ready for a car show right now. If I wash out these door jambs. But hey, I'm glad I got around to cleaning this up. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.